Right, morning guys. We're not really out fishing today, but we're out sort of doing a sort of recovery mission of a motorbike. Someone messaged us on Facebook asking if we could help them out. So basically that's what we're doing today. Right guys, we are at the station. We're on the way.
2 minutes.
John boy's all loaded up, look, he's all loaded up. He ain't done this for a while, he keeps walking away. Right guys, we're still waiting. Right, let's go and have a look where it is then.
About 15-minute walk, good, that's alright.
Yeah, that's alright. We did walk up near the Greenway and all that, but I couldn't see how you could get in there.
You know what?
From what you sent me yesterday.
Do you reckon that'd be easy to get at?
To get out from where it is onto the bank, yeah.
Oh, so that's
It's getting it from, you know.
But my auntie don't live too far from it, didn't get nicked too far, only down the road it got nicked.
Oh, did it?
And I had a GPS tracker on it, so...
What was that? What kind of GPS tracker is it?
It's only a little thing what I bought off of eBay. It's only a little small thing.
Oh,
like
as long as it worked, done the job, didn't it?
And when I went there, I had my keys with me.
Yeah.
So I was just pushing the alarm button and the alarm went off. And found it down.
Oh, right.
Because I was looking around and I'm thinking, the bike's not here.
Oh, it weren't that accurate then?
Then after I went like that, then it was down in
Whoa, fucking, not being funny, your £10 tracker.
it worked.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't know to message.
Yeah.
Yeah, you messaged me.
And I messaged
You messaged the thing on TikTok. Yeah, but we don't.
I'll watch you sometime.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you didn't do anything.
We ain't been doing it for. I've been pretty ill, so I ain't been able to do nothing.
I'll watch you sometime, innit? On what's the name of it? YouTube.
Yeah. Well, up that way, is it?
This is the way of the way.
Yeah. Yeah, this is. Yeah, that's what I said.
When we get next, about 5 minutes.
Yeah, we went this way and then up onto the Greenway and along there, but it's all like fenced in, isn't it? So you can't.
That never used to be like top down there, either.
Nah.
You're lucky they didn't blow it up.
That's what I'm so happy with. I paid about 1,600 quid on the engine.
Oh, did
I
you?
put all the sports parts in it. That's why I want it back.
Well, no, you see, the other thing is, you should claim on your insurance, right? If you can't get it running.
No, I've rebuilt that whole back.
No, I know that. But
Oh yeah, I know what you mean, innit?
it depends how much you're paying for your insurance, though.
But how much? I'm paying 140 quid a month.
Oh, fuck that. Yeah. If you claim on it, it's going to be.
It's gonna make it go higher, innit?
Yeah, double, yeah. Yeah, see, we walked up that way.
Oh, this way. That's the way where I come first of all.
Yeah.
Around here, man. I thought they weren't doing that no more around here.
Well, obviously they do.
We've had a few bikes out.
I know. I've watched some of your
We had a
videos.
big full-size bike out. We had to crane from the bridge
Was
to
that
get
heavy?
it up.
Yeah. Right, guys, we are here in what is it, E15, isn't it?
E15.
Yeah, E15. This guy messaged us on Facebook and said someone stole his motorbike, and he found it with his little £10 GPS tracker in the river here, and we're going to have a go at getting it out. Let's see what we do, guys.
That's fine.
Yeah, you might need them.
I've got a pair of gloves. Oh, these are waterproof, aren't they? Even better.
Right, John, wait a minute. Let's all get down there first before you start jumping in.
Yeah, in case we need to pull you back up.
That's it. I'll bring the camera down with the John. Right guys, that is what we've got. It's just laying in the river here.
Don't
worry about it. Stay right in the edge, John. We've got him tied up, guys, just in case he gets stuck. Right. Waders on, guys, look at him. Yeah. Right, put that over both handlebars. And the brake, and then pull it tight, John, so it's... That's it. Right, chuck that up to me. If I chuck to an end of a rope, you can put it on. Stay there, don't move.
I can't move.
Well, I'm just saying, I don't want you to move, I don't want you to drown, John boy. Yeah, I'll clip that on the end of that.
Want me to loop it?
No, just clip it. Just clip it on. Right, is it done up?
Yeah.
That's it, right. Here's the next one. So put that, is that bar solid, John? Right, go, listen, if you can, right, go over the seat. Look at me.
I'll undo it.
No, listen, go under and through the back wheel and then back up, yeah?
Can't get in the back wheel.
Can't you?
Let me see the ash on there.
Well, we can try it and see what happens, but if you can go,
Under it.
as long as it's going through, there's a metal bar underneath.
There should be one all the way through.
You should be an hole that you can get all the way through. You can't loop it through the back wheel at all. Got it through? Right, loop this one again, John, through it like you did the same. Put that through it. That's it, and then we ain't fucking losing it. Right, that's it. Right, go on then. Right, let's get you out now. Oh.
That's all the trainers on.
Don't fall over, John! Oh, don't fall backwards, John, that's not good. Right, come here, let's unhook you, because we need the rope now. I've clipped it to the thing, John, you won't be able to do it yourself. Oh, let me just clip this end on there, so otherwise we fucking... Let me get you undone.
Or we're going to pull it, lift it up.
Yeah, we'll just drag it up here. I'm not being funny, you can't do any more fucking damage to it, can you?
No.
No. But, I will say this, right? Any damage caused to this bike is down to you.
Yeah.
Right, man.
Basically, I've got everything for it anyway, so it don't really matter.
Let's put them out of the way because we don't need them. Don't need to tread on them. Right, come here. Unclip it.
No, me now. That's what I call, isn't it?
You won't.
I won't fall in this fucking dirty.
Right, what we'll try and do first is we will try and pull it up together, but I don't know if we'll be able to. Right, just clip that on your wrist, just in case you... Right.
Lucky I did turn back from the ages there.
Yeah, be dry by the time you fucking get out of here. That's well sunk in.
You good? Yeah. That's it. Here you come. Shall I get on this one? Ready? You put it in the right.
And you can push it off.
I don't think you can, John. The winch would have been a good idea, but
You ain't got nothing to winch it
up
on.
there we could have done. I didn't realise it was there. Right. If we all jump on the front one first, try and get the front up, innit? Get the front up. I think it's the front. You know what? I think the rules underneath that bar thing. That's what's making it issue, isn't it? No, it's not. That'll come off. Right. If we all get on this one. Right, just get on this as well. Right, if I hold on to this one, right, you two, get on the back one. Hang on, let me get around a bit. Right, get on the back with him. Hang on 1 minute, okay. Nah, that one's underneath that bar. Right, go on, just don't matter, you still got to go.
Yeah, it's on that, there's that bar.
Alright, see if you can go and get it out now. We have to go without a rope. Unless you click yourself on. Oh, you clicked on your wrist, didn't you? Go on, let's take it on your wrist. Hey? Don't pull it wise down. Right, now put it straight out, John. Oh, is it a metal bar? Yeah. That's snapping and all. Can you hear it? Can you hear that bar snapping? Right, when we're pulling this, John, I don't want you to be in the way of it because if it falls, it's going to knock you under. Right, see that knot, John? See that knot he's got there? Pull it round so it's on this side of the seat.
Yeah.
Just like it up. Yeah, move it. Pull it round, that's it. That's it.
It's nowhere near the bar.
Right, let's have a go. Right, if I hold this one, see if you can pull that up. Now you've got to be out, you've got to get closer to the edge. You can't. You're here, yeah? Yeah, yeah. Because you've got to try and lift it up. I don't know if you can lift the back end, can you, John, a bit? Normally, when we pull them out, the up's on now. This one. It's also stuck in, you've got the mud to contend with as well. That mud is lovely, wouldn't it? That loose, yeah? Right, go to the front and try and do the same, John. Tell you what, see if we can get that fucking, snap that out, John. We might be able to drag it back that way. See that little bar?
You ain't going to move that bar.
Can't you snap it? Get hold of it right at the end. Or unless we lift the bike over it and drag it that way up. That's got to be our easier option, I reckon. Be careful. Come, John. You told me you were strong.
I mean, you could go there. You can see it bending. You can literally see it bending.
Can't move it.
Go on. You're going.
Hey, you've done that a lot, though.
You've done it, John, a lot.
Look how much that's spent.
Is he going to fall over? The further out you are, John, the better.
It's more
You get more leeway. So get hold of it and just walk backwards. Right, if you can't pull it, undo the rope off your wrist, clip it round the bar at that end. Right, don't fall over, John. You are on film, you know. Put the rope on it and we can pull it. Just loop it round it, but move it as far to that end as you can. Then pull it tight. Go round it twice, John, before you put the hook on. I reckon that's how we got it in down there, isn't it? Where did you say it was over there?
It was literally right there.
Right, come out, John.
And I'll come down here and I pushed it up.
Come out, John, come out. Mind, you're going to fall.
Then I realised I'm going to get up here.
Hang on. Come on, pull it, John. That's it. We need it to snap. Will that lay down there, John? Will that lay down there? Try push it down to the floor. That should be alright, we should get over that. Right, undo the rope then. Let's put it on your wrist, you wally.
Oh, I've got to get out.
Well, yeah, get out now for a minute. We're going to try and pull it this way now.
But do you want to have one more go this way?
No, I think you'll be better off pulling it back this way and up here.
And up on this bit?
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be hard to get up there.
Even if we get up on the tree.
If we get it up down there, at least.
Should be easier, isn't it?
Yeah. Right. What we could do with is, can you get in front of it and try and stand it up straight, John?
We'll try.
Because when we pull, what we're going to do, we can just pull this rope, leave that one for a minute.
Lift it up higher.
No, just stand it up so it's not laying on the bank when we're trying to pull it along. Hold on to the front of it. No, stand it up so it's on his wheel, sort of thing. Whoa! Hold it behind me over there. Step back. Right, ready, John? The back is going in.
It's going into it.
Digging in. tell you what, John, undo this thing, right, and put it through the back wheel. Or try looping that down so it goes around the springs. Undo the loop. That's it. Now let it come over the back. That's it. You need to go a bit more, John. Undo the loop a bit more. I'm trying to get it to go drop down. The bit on the inside you've got to try and drop down.
That bit of busted boss. Yeah.
Right, that might help us. Right, try and stand it up again. Can you move that knot to the middle, John? Just move it. That's it, just a bit. That's it, that'll do. Right, here we go. Ready? You alright? Right, are you safe? Right, here we go. Put the rope round your waist and use your body weight to sort of pull it. That's all we got, just have to put it over. Right, put your body weight and then sort of pull as well. Right, ready, John? We need to try and... Can you lift the back, John?
Oh, lift it?
No, do you know, as we pull, you sort of lift the back up a bit if you can, because that's what it's getting caught in the mud. That's it, like that. Oh, I'll tell you what it is, fucking stands down, I bet. Have a look, see if it stands down, John.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Let it lay down and go around the other side, kick the stand in.
The stand's down.
Oh, is it down, yeah?
The main stand, is that one down?
In the middle.
Yeah, there's the stand.
No, the big stand. You see all that,
Yeah,
where all that
it's
shit
definitely
is? See all that shit hanging out there? There's a
Yeah.
stand there. Try and push that stand up towards the back wheel. Because that's what's digging in, that's why we can't move it.
Lucky you couldn't see that.
Well, no, I just realised, because we're pulling it. John, you've got to try and go around and kick it.
Yeah, I've got to move.
Yeah, I know.
Either get on the other side there, on the side where the back was, then just lift the back up a bit. Put the back more in.
I'll tell you what, John, as it's laying on its side, we might be able to do it on its side.
So I'll push the stand up.
Is it all the whole lot up now, is it? Yeah, you pull it to you.
Yeah, it is.
Right, let's have a look then. Yeah, that's better. Right, let's just see if we can do it like this first.
Oh.
Get your leg out of the way.
Fuck.
Hang on, wait a minute, mate. Wait a minute. He's got his legs like that. Get yourself out first, don't worry about nothing else. You're not stuck, John, are you?
Yes.
Oh, he's got suction. Oh, hang on, I've got to film it. John's got stuck, guys, he can't get his suction out. Right. Yeah? You okay?
Yeah.
Right, I don't need you, Joe. I need you to get out of the line of fire if you can.
Let me get out.
Yeah, come on in. Go on, hold on this rope. Pull yourself up. Use this rope.
Oh.
Don't worry about that one, it's on your wrist. Just hold on to the one we're pulling, because then you can pull yourself up.
Yeah, I've got to get over.
Well, stand on it. There you go. Right, unhook that off yourself a minute. Just all...
There's no room to pull.
Hey, there ain't a lot of room, is there? Oh shit. Right, we ready?
Yeah.
Right, ready?
Let's go.
Eh?
This way is better.
Well, no, it might be better if it's standing up, but problem is the stand was, that's what was stopping us, the stand. Right, go. You can do splits, John. Right, I think we might need to try and stand it up, John, I think. Can you do that again?
Stand it up.
Yeah. On its wheel. Because you've got the stand out of the way now.
Yeah.
And then we'll have less drag. Right, let's put this round just in case. I'll just clip it on there for now. And then if we need to pull it, you can put it on yourself, alright? Yeah? Right,
Well, stand it up.
yeah, go that side and stand it up. Try using the handlebars, John. Up there.
Look at that ball in the way, isn't it?
Yeah. Right. Once you've got it stand, can you drag the back to you, John? A bit.
No, I can't.
Right, you ready? That's it, like that. Right. Try and get it up as straight as you can now. Right, ready? You've got to come down here a bit. Because you're pulling.
Wait.
Tell you what we might be able to do. If we leave the back where it is, right, and we drag the front round.
Oh yeah, and drag it up the other way, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, let me get the other rope. Too slippery to get up there.
Go the other way. Bring this round.
Yeah, we're gonna loop that loop over.
You know what? That would actually be the easy option, isn't it?
Aye.
If we're pulling it back, the stand might get caught and go back up.
Yeah. Right, leave that where it is, John. We're gonna. I'll leave that one. What we're going to try and do, right, is we're going to try and pull that front round out like that. Yeah?
Moves, isn't it? If it was solid, if this was solid, we would have this that ready.
Right, John,
What?
move that loop so it's on the other side of the steering. Right, pull it round more. Loosen the loop more. Right, then put it so it's on this side. Towards the bottom, and then put it tight again. Right. Right, can you go to the other side of the bike and try and hold it up? We're going to pull it your way, so you need to be the other side of the bike. Can't you step through it? No? But I couldn't. Right, you've got to try and get through. We're going to pull it round, John.
Stop.
Eh?
Oh, I've got stuck.
You have? You have?
Yes.
I'll push the bike towards the bank again. Right, once you get yourself out now.
I'll go round the other side.
Well, if you can. Right, lift that rope up and put it over there so it goes when he goes no, the other way. Well, the end is attached to him. I don't want it when we pull the bike. It's going to fall over. I don't want it. Go on, it's alright, John. I want to get the rope the other side of the bike. John, that's it. Go on. That's it. Put it the other side of the bike, John. Put the rope the other side of the bike for me. Yeah?
So you want to bring this round?
Yeah, we're going to push it out and round. Ready?
I'm trying to get a proper step. It's hard, isn't it?
We should have brought the wind together.
That would have just carried on pulling, innit?
Well, no, it's still a bit of a fucking nuisance. But... Right.
So we bring it out.
Right? If you can pull it over. Pull it round too.
Should we pull that back now?
No, not yet. I'll leave that where it is. Can you come this side? Can I lift the handlebars up? Pull it. Can you pull the bike to you then?
Oh,
From the handlebars, can you pull it into you? Try and stand it up, because that's what's happening now is the handlebars are digging in. Or if you can come this side, that'd be good. As soon as we pull, it's going to pull it down.
or come around the other way.
Put the loop, right, at the bottom of the handlebars now.
The loop is round the hand.
No, at the bottom. Because when I pull that, it's going to pull it down, so we need it to pull up. Loosen it, and then put it, so pull the loop to you. Right. So put the loop more at the bottom. Right, pull it round more. That's it.
We want to lift it up.
Yeah. So the handlebars are not in the mud. That's it. Like that, so put it like that. Like that will do. Right. Ready?
Whoa! Big grab on that one.
That's right. No, that's alright though, it's still round the handlebars. You need to bring it up here.
Yeah, now come in front back and then pull that round.
Yeah, pull the back round a little bit. It's all the bits that poke out in it and the fucking mud where it catches. See, most of the time when we do this sort of thing, where we're trying to get them out of now, so
It's like lift them up, isn't it?
and it's metal side or will. I might be able to stay up here. See, if you see this purple strap, if you can pull on it, right, close to the bike, because that will lift the handlebars up.
Lift it up, innit? I need to find something.
Yeah?
Is that solid? No. Come on, try it now.
On it. That's it. Right, John, do the same what you're doing there with the front out. You getting stuck, John?
Yeah, suction.
Is that a fart? Hey, is that a little fart? Right, now pull this. Right, lift that as he pulls. Lift it by the wheel, like. Right, I'll tell you what. Let's have a stop for a minute. Undo that off the handlebars, then give it to him again and loop it through the forks. See where around the fork? Yeah, then we can try and stand it up and try and roll it again. You want the whole thing to loop it out?
Yeah. We'll come down further, but I'm listening into that.
Yeah. You should have brought your waders.
I ain't got none.
I'll give him the end of that. One. Right. Now, when you're done, John, put that on. Yeah, I was joking with him today. I was still about bringing them the wind.
Probably would have done that. Yeah, probably would have done that.
Right, you got it. Try and get it so the knot's pulling in the centre, John, or towards the bottom fork.
You're on the fork.
Yeah, twist it round more so the loop's at the bottom, and then put it tight. See where you got that loop? You need that loop at the bottom.
What?
No, you got the loop.
I've got it round.
So when you put it in, when you put that on the forks, did you go under the forks first or over the top?
What do you mean?
You went over the top, didn't you?
Yeah, what we're doing.
You need to do it the other way, so you go up. So we need the knot at the bottom, John, because otherwise it's gonna. So go up round the forks instead of over. Right, go under the forks and then up. No, under the forks, John, not over the top. From the front, from where you are.
Yeah.
No, through the look, John, look at me. Through like that and up.
What, through the wheel?
No, through the forks.
It ain't gonna go.
No, the top of it.
The top, up near the top, above the wheel. The yellow bit.
That's where I did it on.
Yeah, no, but you got the loop at the top. We went at the bottom. That's why you got to go in from the top. Put it round the bottom fork. Only.
Oh, yeah.
No, you're around the top fork, aren't you?
You want it on the bottom fork?
The bottom fork only, yeah.
Or this one?
Yeah. Because then that way it'll lift it up as we pull it. If you've got it on the top, it's just going to drag it into the mud. It's a very wet and sticky and slippy mess, guys. Not really a good introduction back into magnet fishing, but we ain't even using a magnet. That's it. Right, now clip it back on the rope. Right, if you pull that one now. Right, and then, right, John, we need you to try and stand the bike up now if you can. Hang on, let him get over the top of the rope before you pull it. Can you get this side, John?
You be better off over
John,
here. Right
come this side.
Right over here. See where the bar is, isn't it?
Yeah.
What side?
Come this side and stand the bike up. Like use your handlebars to stand it up. Oh, don't fall over, John. It'd be a good video.
No, it wouldn't be for my camera.
Yeah, but it's waterproof, John. If you've got the little clicky bit in. Right.
I'm basically, I need to stand back up here.
Yeah, you need to be back up there, yeah.
I need to lift it up.
Stand it up, yeah, on its
I need
wheels.
to get behind that bar.
Alright, well just put your feet inside it and then push it back with your legs.
Let me know when to pull.
Yeah. Let him try and get the bike up pretty upright first. Right, hold on to the handlebars, John.
I'm on it.
No, both handlebars. Because I want you to sort of drive it. Turn the front wheel towards so the wheel's facing him.